Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And so today I'm going to show you how to cook the chicken pochero. This is a Filipino chicken dish with soup. Okay, in a large pot, first we need to heat oil and fry the garlic. When it's slightly brown, we add the shallots and fry it till fragrant. And then let's add the chicken pieces and just fry it for just about 3 minutes. And when it's slightly brown, we add water. Enough water to cover all the ingredients, like maybe 2 liters depending on how many ingredients you have, and we will bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, we can now add our ingredients such as corn, our potatoes, and our carrots. And now at this point we can now skim the excess fat from the chicken, because you know sometimes even if you take off some fats and skin, there'll be fat left behind, so let's scoop it all out so we have a clear soup. Make sure you scoop all those yellow fats that's floating. And after that, we also need to scoop these bubbles on top of our soup. Now, as you can see, we have clear soup. All that left is a very savory broth. I can't wait. I'm excited. I'm already feeling hungry. Let's cover it. When the potato is half done, we may now add our plantain banana with its skin on. Yes, you just make sure to wash it properly, but I'm telling you, with the skin on, it really makes a difference. And also, let's add our cabbage and cook it for about 10 minutes. Like this. Cover it. And now our chicken pochero is now ready. I'm so hungry. There you go. Your chicken pochero is now ready. Well guys, hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, and tell us your suggestions and comments in the